afternoon to one and all. On behalf of our principal and our entire HVB family, I take the privilege to welcome you all to the online Interhouse Senior Quiz Competition 2021 and 2022. It is rightly said, champions do not become champions when they win the event, but in the hours, weeks, months, and years they spend preparing for it. The victorious performance itself is merely a demonstration of the championship character. You miss 100% of the shot you don't take. So let's call for the 100% shots with the will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach the full potential, and to unlock the door to personal excellence. With this in mind, it's time to introduce the quiz masters for the day, that is me, Tanvi, and Miss Vrishti, and our timekeeper, Ramesh sir. And let me introduce you to the participants of the competition. From Alpha House, we have Vansh Khokaria, 10th grade CAIE, and Dia Salecha, 9C ICSE. From Beta House, we have Hed Shah, 9C ICSE, and Raika Dhar, 10th grade CAIE. Gamma House, we have Muskan Goel, 10th grade CAIE, and Shujami Doshi, 9th B ICSE. And last, Delta House, we have Prihan Jain, 10th grade CAIE, and Jia Biswas, 10th grade CAIE. I welcome you all to the quiz competition. Now, we are filled with great zeal and enthusiasm, but let's have a look at the rules and regulation for the competition. So the competition will be conducted in 3 rounds. In the first round, 5 questions will be asked to each house with time period of maximum 15 seconds for each question. The question will not be passed on to any other team. Every correct answer will fetch you 100 points, and there is no negative marking for wrong answer. Remember, you have to answer within 15 seconds. You will not get extra time, and your answer will not be considered if you answer after the timer. In the second round, each house will be asked 3 questions. You will get 15 seconds to answer the question. But there's a negative marking for wrong answers and no answer. For example, if the answer is correct, you get plus 100 points. But if the answer is incorrect and you don't answer, you'll get minus 100 points. Remember that. And the third round, that is our final round, will be the buzzer round with 3 questions open to all houses. So any house can answer, and you will get 10 seconds to answer each question. The only thing is to raise your hand. That is by clicking on the icon, raise the hand icon on the Google Meet. You will have to click that and then say the answer. Before that, you can't say the answer, your team will be disqualified. The question will not be passed to any other team. So for example, if Alpha House raised the hand, they will have to give the answer. And if they don't, the question will not be passed on to other team. Next question will be asked. The participant who raises the hand first in the queue will get to answer. And one more addition, there is also a negative marking in this round. So in the buzzer round, you correct answer, you will get 200 points, plus 200. But if your answer is incorrect or you raised your hand but you didn't answer, then you'll get minus 200. So be careful with both the rounds. And for the first 2 rounds, questions will be displayed on the screen and I will ask them verbally as well. But in this last round, that is buzzer round, the questions will be asked by me and you will not be able to see the questions on the screen. And no options are there for any question. You just have to give your answer. Is that clear? Anyone has any doubt, right? Ask right away. No? Okay. Just the general rules for the competition that you have to follow throughout. The participants are expected to keep their camera switched on throughout the competition and microphones muted at the time unless asked otherwise. When the participants of one house answer the question, the other house's participants are expected to remain muted. If found unmuted, it will lead to disqualification of that house. So for example, in the first two rounds, we ask question to specific houses. So I'm asking question to alpha house, other houses will remain quiet. And if you speak in between or raise your hand or anything, your uh, house will be disqualified. So be careful. Any kind of misbehavior and use of unfair means will not be tolerated. So we don't want any other devices around you, such as phones or tabs, only the device that you're using and your headphones. And I would also request you all to fold your hands and sit and be stable. Don't move your end there, okay? The decisions made by the organizing committee on any or all matters relating to the event are final and binding. The winner will be decided based on the highest score at the end of round 3, that is buzzer round. The decision of the quizmasters will be taken as final. I hope all the rules are clear. Any doubt? Anyone? Okay, wish you all the luck and happy quizzing. Shall we start? Okay. So first round, we'll start with Alpha House. All the 5 questions to Alpha House. Remember the rules, 15 seconds to answer. If you want to discuss, you can discuss, but within 15 seconds, I won't consider your answer after that. First question for Alpha House. What is the full form of SAARC?
It's the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation.
Let's look at the answer. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that's a correct answer. You get 100 points. Second question. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world?
Denmark Strait.
Let's look at the answer. That is incorrect. It's Angel Falls. Third question. What was the major public health crisis of 2000? Time up. And the answer is obesity. Second last question of this round for Alpha House. What is the alien race Loki sends to invade Earth in the Avengers movie?
Asgard.
Let's look at the answer.
The race name is Chitauri.
Let's look at the answer. That's absolutely correct. It's Chitauri. You get 100 points. And the last question. Guess the musical instrument.
Yes, I think it's sitar.
I want the final answer. It's Ektara. So it's a wrong answer. So we are done with first round for Alpha House. Now Beta House. First question for you. Guess the musical instrument.
Trumpet.
I think it's a
Kaika, what's that?
I think it's a flute.
I want the final answer.
We'll go with flute.
Trumpet.
Okay, we'll go with trumpet.
Trumpet.
Let's look at the answer. It's clarinet. That's a wrong answer. Next question. What is the full form of LTE in telecommunication?
Long-term evolution.
Let's
Yes,
look at the answer.
Final.
Fine. Okay, let's look at the answer. That is correct. You get 100 points. Next question. The eruption of which volcano caused is thought to be the loudest sound in the recorded history?
I think it's the final answer is Krakatoa.
Let's look at the answer. That is absolutely correct. You get 100 points. Next question. What kind of waves are caused by sudden movements of materials within the earth?
Seismic waves.
Can you repeat?
Seismic waves. Seismic waves.
Okay, let's look at the answer. That's correct. You get 100 points. Now the last question of this round for you. In Harry Potter movies, what is the name of the tree that Arthur Weasley's flying car crashes into?
The Whomping Willow. Final answer.
Let's look at the answer. Absolutely correct. That is the correct answer. You get more 100 points. Gamma House, it's your turn. First question for you. Change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of. Time up. We'll move forward. The second question for you. Uri, the surgical strike movie, is based on which real life incident?
When Pakistan attacked India undercover.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah,
Yeah.
miss.
Okay. Let's look at the answer. It's Pulwama attack. Next question. What is the full form of ICICI?
Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India.
Let's look at the answer. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation for India. That's correct answer. You get 100 points. Next question. Which is the highest dam of India?
The Tehri Dam.
Let's look at the answer. That's absolutely correct. You get more 100 points. And the last question for you. Guess this musical instrument.
Tambourine. Shujami, what do you say?
I'm not aware of this, but I'll go with your answer.
Okay, tambourine.
Let's look at the answer. The wrong answer. It's cymbal. Last house, Delta House. Your chance. First question. Which is the country with the most number of islands?
Gee, I have no idea, but I guess it's Greenland.
I want your final answer.
No, I'm talking to Gia.
Acha.
Greenland.
Yeah, so yeah, Miss Greenland final.
Okay, let's look at the answer. It's within. Second question. Guess the musical instrument.
It's tabla, right?
Yes, tabla.
Final tabla.
Let's look at the answer. Conga. It's a wrong answer. Third question. The movie Chapak is based on which acid attack survivor? Time up. It's Lakshmi Agarwal. Last two questions of this round for you, Delta House. What is the full form
Defense
of DRDO?
research. Defense research. Defense organization.
Final answer.
Yeah.
Let's look at the answer. It's Defense Research and Development Organization. That's a wrong answer. So last question. Which lobe of the brain is primarily responsible for hearing and language?
Barium.
Prihan, I guess temporal lobe.
Yeah. Temporal
Final
lobe.
answer.
Yes.
Let's look at the answer. That is correct. You get 100 points. So we are done with our first round. Let's look at the scoreboard. Alpha 200 points, Beta 400, Gamma 200, Delta 100. Beta is the leading house here. Now we'll move forward to the second round. Now in the second round, remember there's negative marking. The correct answer you get plus 100. Wrong answer, or if you don't answer, you'll get minus 100. Again, all the three questions will be asked to one house one by one. Okay. So first three questions for Alpha House. First question. Who is the current Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs?
Miss, I think it's Piyush Goyal. I think it's Piyush
Go with that.
Goyal. It's final.
Let's look at the answer. Nirmala Sitharaman. That's a wrong answer. So you get minus 100 points. Next question. Which country became the first to ban FM radio broadcasting?
It's Norway, finally.
Let's look at the answer. That's correct. You get 100 points. Last question of this round for you. Which team won the FIFA World Cup in 2010?
Miss, I think Barcelona. It's fine.
I think we'll go with Spain.
Miss, Spain final.
Okay. Let's look at the answer. That is correct. It's Spain national football team. Now, Beta House, it's your turn. First question for you. In chess, When a pawn from one side reaches to the other end, it can be exchanged for any piece that has been lost. What is the exchange called?
King? I don't know what to say.
I think we'll go with pawn promotion.
Yes, miss.
Let's look at the answer. That's incorrect. It's queening. You lose 100 points. Next question. What is a new registration mark for new vehicles introduced by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways?
The BH mark for Bharat.
Let's look at the answer. That is correct. In Bharat series, BH, 100 marks. Last question for you, Beta House. Which became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as its national currency?
Yes, Raika.
Time's up. El Salvador. Minus 100. Gamma House, it's your turn. First question for you. Which Indian state became the first to declare Sanskrit as an official language?
Uttarakhand.
Let's look at the answer. That is correct. You get 100 points. Next question. What was the first sport played on the moon?
So, Shijami, can we answer golf? What do you think about it?
Yeah, like we can answer this.
Miss Golf, final.
Let's look at the answer. That is correct. You get 100 points. Last question for you. Name the operation that was launched by the government of India to evacuate stranded Indians from the Taliban captured Afghanistan.
So, evacuation, like we have
Open
to
the-
answer. So,
Open Devshi Shakti, I think. Open
I'm sorry.
Devi Shakti.
Yeah, we go with the answer.
Can you repeat the answer? It was not very clear.
Open Devi Shakti.
Can we look at the answer? It's Operation Devi Shakti. Now, Delta House. Delta House. First question for you. Which international rugby team is known as Pumas?
Dallas Cowboys. Final.
Let's look at the answer. It's Argentina. Wrong answer. Next question. Delta House, you have two more questions. Who became the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand for one day? Time up. It's Srishti Goswami. Minus 100 for Delta House. Last question for you, Delta House. Which is the first state to launch Medicines from Sky initiative to use drones for delivering medicines?
Rihan,
No,
Telangana.
yeah, Telangana. Final.
Let's look at the answer. That is correct. You get 100 points. Now we are going to start with the third round, that is buzzer round. But before that, let's look at the scoreboard. All the houses, Alpha, Beta, Gamma have 300 and Delta at 0. Delta, you have a chance to speed up your game at the buzzer round. As the buzzer round, you will get plus 100 if you get the correct answer, but minus 100 if you get the wrong answer. Shall we start?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, miss.
Yes, miss.
First question. Which company developed the first graphical user interface? Time up. The answer was Xerox PLC. Second question. A plague pandemic wiped out a third of Europe's population in mid 1300s. It is well known by which name? Yes, Vihan.
Spanish flu.
Let's look at the answer. It's called Black Death. So it's a wrong answer. Minus 200. Last question. Name the place where Ashoka's pillar is located. Hate.
Sarnath.
Let's look at the answer. That is correct. It's Sarnath. So Hate will get 200 points. Yes, that was the end of our quiz competition. Let's look at the scoreboard. Alpha 300 points, Beta 500 points, Gamma 300 and Delta minus 100 points. So congratulations to Beta House, the winning house.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Congratulations to the winning house. And before we leave the meeting, I would like to thank all of you, all the house masters and participants who have put in their best efforts. And I would like to offer my earnest gratitude to all of you on the behalf of our principal and the staff. Devotions and dedications make this entire house senior quiz competition a grand success. Thank you all.